Okay, everyone, I just wanted to do a really quick video on how to use Google Sheets because some people told me they really wanted to use Google Sheets instead of Excel, which is understandable. Um, but I wanted to just investigate the process just a little bit more. So here's how you do this. It's very similar in many ways to Excel, but there's a couple of tricks to it. You select your data like before, you click Insert, and then go down to where it says Chart. Whoops. Just undid that for me. So insert, chart, and then it gives you by default this little line chart, which is useless. So go ahead and switch that over to scatter. Okay, and then you've got a few options here, but they're really not very helpful for what we're trying to do. So go over to customize, and it is it this one? No, it's not chart and axis. Aha, okay. So you're going to click on the drop down that says series. When you click on series, if you scroll down a little bit, there's one that says trend line. So you click on trend line, and it starts with a linear trend line, which of course we don't want because that doesn't fit the data at all. So, but you do have other options. You have things like exponential. That looks a little better. Polynomial, logarithmic, power series, right? You have all these options. I think exponential looked the nicest. Okay. Now you can format that a little bit, but what you really need is you need to click on label here. And I would hit use equation, of course, right? And so it gives you the equation, and then show r squared if you want to see the r squared value as well. Okay. So you can blow this up a little bit, see it maybe a little better. If you want to increase the size of the text here, that might be helpful to see it. Oh, font size, there we go. Like that. Okay. So again, if you want to do that, the other way to do it is once you already have it, you can click on the three little dots here. Click on the three dots, hit edit chart, and then customize, then series, and then you scroll down to find that trend line and the types of fits and all of that. Okay, but that's how you would do it with Google Sheets. It works very similarly. I'm also told that it works much better when you're using the laptop version versus the iPad version. So just a warning on that. It may not work all that great on the iPad. All right, let me know if you have any questions.